Hey yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial videos. And in today's tutorial videos, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your voice in Discord. So to change your voice in Discord, you need to download an application called Voice Mode. So to download it, you want to go to this website called Voice Mode. Once you type Voice Mode on your search bar on Google Chrome or any search engine you want to click on the first link where it says Voice Mode, free real-time voice changer and modulator. You want to click on it and you want to click on Set Voice Mode Free. Once you click on it, it's going to start to download over here just like this after you log in into your account of Voice Mode. And if you guys haven't created one, then it's going to ask you to create it. After creating a Voice Mode account and signing into it, your Voice Mode will start to download. And after your Voice Mode starts to download and your download is complete, basically what you want to do is install Voice Mode. And after you download and install Voice Mode, it's going to ask you to log in into your account, and it's going to look like this. And log in into the Voice Mode account which you created when you downloaded your Voice Mode, and then you're going to be welcome to its user surface. Now once you're over here, it's going to ask you to select your microphone and headphone. Now select those microphone and headphone which you're using right now. And after doing that, you want to click on where it says continue. And after you click on continue, this is going to be Voice Mode's user interface. You can choose whichever voice you want. Baby, a cave, a clean, lil mode, magic chords, and to unlock more you need to buy the premium version of Voice Mode, for which you need to pay. Otherwise these are the only voice you can change into. So let me select the baby one, and after selecting the voice which you want to do a little setting on Discord. So you want to go on Discord, go to user setting. Once you're in your user setting, you want to click on where it says voice and video. You want to click on voice and video. Once you click on voice and video, you want to change your input device to microphone voice mode virtual audio device WDM. You want to select that and you're good to go after that. And once you join a voice channel, your voice will be changed. So that's basically how you guys can change your voice in Discord. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel to get notified for future Discord related video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.